Hi, this is Dan Cuscarella, Camplex Fiber Optics here at NAB 2018 New York. This year we've brought out quite a bit of wares, but we want to focus on our tactical assemblies. We're one of the larger manufacturers of tactical fiber optics for broadcast industry. It's for distribution of your audio, video, and data signals. What we have here today is a variety of reels. We have our TAC1 Tac and Go series, which have integrated hardware converters built into the hub. 2-channel, 4-channel, and 12-channel mil-tac spec cable reels. These are great for rapid deployment for your broadcasts, your house of worship, educational, rental, and staging. We fit all the markets, and we have a variety of converters and extenders as well. 12G SDI, 3G SDI, HDMI, DVI, you name it, we can extend it over fiber optics. Low loss, high quality, lightweight cables built in Saugerties, New York, by an employee-owned company. That's us, Camplex.com.